Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Brazilian tapioca crepe, which we call in Brazil tapioca. I have made a tapioca video before from scratch and you can watch it right here, but today I'm going to be teaching you a quick and easier way to make tapioca using Tapioca da Terrinha. Tapioca da Terrinha is gluten-free, lactose-free, there is no preservatives, and it's the only tapioca that expires with 8 months. Now let's make it. The first thing you're going to have to do, you're going to get a Tapioca da Terrinha, separate what you're going to be using, just enough to cover the pan. Gonna turn a skillet in a low heat. Remember, this tapioca is a red hydrate, so you don't need to add water, it's ready to make. When the pan is hot, we're gonna be adding the tapioca on the base. Make sure you cover the entire base. Once you spread your tapioca starch, you're gonna hit for about 2 minutes until the edges unstick themselves from the pan. 2 minutes has passed and you can see that it's starting to come out from the pan. We're gonna be flipping carefully and we're gonna be adding your favorite filling. I'm gonna be doing a sweet one, but you can also do a savory. I'm gonna be doing a guava and cheese. So you spread the guava, put the cheese, cover and wait 30 seconds and it'll be ready to eat. 30 seconds has passed and it's all done and ready to eat. Now the best part, let me try it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the subscribe button below. We also have a Facebook and Instagram page called Marley Recipes. Go there, like and share, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!